GitHub Copilot is a mature and trusted AI pair programmer used by more than 1 million developers, and now it's available in IntelliJ and the latest suite of IDEs from JetBrains. It's fantastic at inspecting your code, including natural language comments and predicting what you need next. And if it doesn't give you what you want first time, it'll work with you, ultimately making you more productive. And now with GitHub Copilot Chat, it truly feels like I'm working with a pair programmer. For example, I can ask general programming questions like, what are some best practices for storing passwords in Java? Copilot lets me know, and in this case, it even provided some sample code I could use. I have some password validation code already, but it's a regular expression, and those are not easy to interpret at a glance. In IntelliJ, I can now ask GitHub Copilot Chat to explain any code I'm unfamiliar with, even if it's a regular expression. Copilot Chat is also great for helping you with documentation. Using the /doc command, it will create comments explaining what my code does. And even better, I can even get help writing tests for the code I'm looking at. Copilot is smart enough to understand from the code and comments exactly what I'm looking to test and can help me implement them. It can even suggest tests that I might be missing. GitHub is the AI-powered platform that helps your teams write more secure, better documented and better tested code faster than ever before. The plugin is available now for everyone with GitHub Copilot. Install it from the JetBrains marketplace today.